see that. Oh yeah. Nice thick material, self-adhesive.
Is it couch?
It's the exact same thing.
Alright, I already measured it out for the cut right here, so it comes in.
So let me see that. Oh, so we're gonna fix. So you're gonna fix this hole right here with it. And this is the dark brown. Gotta wipe it down, make sure the oil's off. Cool. And so you cut a nice little strip off of the roll. Well, that looks nice and sticky.
Yes, yes it is. Alright, sure. Alcohol doesn't take too long to dry, so we should be good to go, actually.
So, what are you looking for right now?
Just the tear.
To see how deep it goes into the couch?
No, I'm just trying to hold it together so I can make sure I get everything properly. So, I'll put it back here.
Come here. Cut.
Let's work the magic.
That's it.
Sorry, I'm just trying to get around.
I'm just trying to get it in here so it's kind of matching with the couch against it.
This will work good.
Yeah, it's on there, nice and firm.
Stay on here.
Color matches.
Go ahead.
It's kind of off a little bit.
I mean, I have a blow dryer. It's self-adhesive, so it goes right on there like that. So does it feel like it's scratching or anything?
No.
Everything looks good. I'm gonna start. Make sure it's not.
Come up. No. Okay.
And nothing rips, nothing's peeling back off. It's on there nice and firm.
That looks great.
And now it's not gonna rip anymore. Now it's good to go.
Okay.
Awesome.